Hey guys, welcome to the first live showing. Today I am a bit nervous because it's my first live, so be careful and gentle on me please. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a live unboxing of the Revopoint 3D scanner. So let's see if we've got any viewers online yet. If you say aye, I will give you a shout out. We'll just wait to get a few viewers on first. Have we got any viewers yet? Let's have a look. Don't forget to say hi and we'll give you a shout out. Hi everybody, if you give it an eye in the comments, we'll say hi to you online. Just wait till we get some more viewers. Right, what you get in the box when you get it from Revopoint is this is the you get in the bag a Revopoint USB stick, the markers, and you get a black sheet, and you get some blue tack. I'll just put that down here a minute. Then you get a black latex glove. You get some you get a sheet from Revopoint, which on the back has got a $20 to $500 reward. Then you've got a bust, which has been scanned with a Revopoint pop, and this has been 3D printed. You get a bag of goodies for your tripod. You get this little thing, which I'm guessing is the mobile phone holder. You get the mount, And in the box, you get, sorry about that. Like I say, anything can go wrong on a live show. Right, in the box you have got, this one comes with the Pop 3D scanner, nicely boxed. We will be doing a review video on the scanner, so stay tuned for that. In the box you get your warranty card, you get your connecting cables, a mini tripod, which is nicely done. It looks like that's metal, so that's a good quality for starters. And then last but not least is a scanner. This scanner does have a 0.3mm accuracy, so the accuracy is pretty good on it. You've got you've got your power button at the back there. You've got USB cable connection, and then you've got your tripod connections on the bottom, and then all your things on the front. So that's your scanner. That looks quite nice. Also, with this version, this is the turntable pack. So in the turntable pack, you also get, just put that down there, another box, like playing pass the parcel. Right, you get your charger, you connect your power cable. This is a power cable for the turntable, not the scanner. And then you also get your turntable, which on the back somewhere you've got the power connector and power switch. So for the money, you do get a great little package. If you've got any questions, please ask, and I'll try and answer them as well as I can. Basically, with a tripod, what you do is this one here, that goes into there. You just fasten that up. Just get the rest of it, and I'll show you how to set the tripod up. Right, what you do then is you just put your tripod into there, fasten it up. Then you get your 3D scanner. That'll just fasten on the tripod fitting, like so. Just fasten that up to tighten it. The bottom one to fasten it to the mount. Like so. Then that'll hold it securely onto the tripod. With this, what you can do is if you fasten that bolt, it'll stop it from falling, and you can also use it as a selfie stick, so you can go scanning. So basically, all you do is you get your mobile phone, put your mobile phone into the mount, like so. Just turn the scanner the right way around. Try and fasten this on, and I'll show you in a second. Right, that fastened onto there now. That fastened securely to the scanner. Then what you've got is you've got your 3D scanner on top and your mobile phone on the bottom, so you can easily use your software and scan to your heart's content. So that's basically everything in the box. The quality of the scanner is pretty good. It's quite sturdy. It's not cheap plastic whatsoever. So it is a good quality scanner. So like I say, the accuracy rate is 0.3. I'll just get the spec up and give you more information. Pop. And the specifications on this are it's a dual camera infrared structure light up to 0.3 millimeter single capture accuracy. The minimum scan volume is 50 by 50 by 50, 8 frames per second, and it's a class 1 infrared laser, which is eye safe, so it's not going to blind you if it gets pointed near your eyes. The output format is STL, PLY, and OBJ, so you can use it for scanning objects for 3D printing and CNC machining. The weight of the scanner is 225 grams, so it's not overly heavy. You're able to export the 3D model directly to 3D printing, and it's compatible with Windows 8 and Windows 10 and Android 6 or above. At the moment, I'm not sure if it's available for the Apple iPhone, but I will find more information out for you. So if you've got any questions, please ask me, and I will try and answer as much as I can. So like I say, this week we will be making a review video on the Pop 3D scanner, so you'll be able to see that probably this week. So it's like I say, it is a good quality scanner. You won't have any bad scans with this. I have seen worse, and but it is well worth the money. Right, so what we'll do is we'll end the live stream there because there's not really a lot more I can tell you. So if you watch out for us video review, we will do it this week. So enjoy your 3D scanning.